Okay, guys, we've got the breakout in the CAD yen, and don't know if you guys can see that. We're about 32 pips on CAD yen. Nice little breakout from consolidation. We had sideways consolidation at about 83 and a quarter. We broke the bankers line, guys. See the bankers resistance line? We tagged it, pulled back, and then broke. And now we're about 32 pips. We're gonna go ahead and take our money right now, and boom, we're done. Okay, so we've able to take out a number of positions from that entry, and we have previous entry before, and so and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. Okay, so we're able to close out one for 31 pips. We got long, and this is a result of talking to one of my students in our live trading room or chat room, and John from California. Big howdy do to you, in which he was showing me his chart and asking me about the CAD yen, and he shorted the CAD yen, picked the top right there, and then he was exiting at the 83.00 area. So we hit that area, filled the gap, hit that 83 whole number, round number, banker support, guys. Banker support is what it's all about. And then we saw this nice, and I would be entering on that because we had a nice uptrend. We had higher highs and higher lows. And then I went ahead and got long near the bottom. Pick the bottom there, guys. Bottom, take that bottom at the 83 whole number, round number, and then added more positions on the breakout. Had to wait a little bit for the consolidation, and then we went there. Okay, so we got the 83.37. Might have get a shot at like 83.50, but this is pretty good for today. $13,109 for the day. So it's a pretty good take. If you want to learn how to do this and learn this strategy, the pip and run strategy, and we're going to be upgrading it. We're going to be rolling out a brand new product called the Forex Cash Machine, and that's going to be rolling out really soon. So if you want to be part of this launch and you want to be the first to try this out, then go ahead and click the link below, Elite Traders University /apply. Then go ahead and schedule a call with us. We'll get you started and get you making this kind of money. All right, talk to you soon. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University signing out. Cheers. Bye.